everyone, my name is Vivan. I am reading 4th A for today. I want to tell you that what animals think about pollution. Only human beings are not worried about pollution. Animals too. Listen, what animals think about pollution. Hello, I am dog. Hello, I am turtle. Dog, he turtle. How are you? Oh, why do you look so worried? Turtle, yeah, I am little worried about pollution. Dog, I know Earth is suffering. Pollution is terrible. Turtle, environment pollution is dangerous not only for Earth but for us too. I think some plants and animals are likely to become extinct. Extinction will further upset the balance. Dog, absolutely, environment pollution is increasing day by day and it is creating a lot of problems like climate changes as well. Now polar ice is melting and the water level of the sea is rising. Pollution can cause the spread of various kinds of diseases too. We need to make everyone aware of the harmful effect. Once more people are aware of the danger and if we work together, we can think of solutions to prevent pollution. That's a great idea. Let's start working on it as soon as possible. Yes, we should start now. Thank you.